Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, friends, brothers and sisters of the Indian dog game. This is Suryakant Roy, and I feel really happy to be a part of this channel, Animals and Pets with Partha Shekhar Chatterjee, and feel honored that he gave me a platform to share my experience in the dog game over the past 3.5 decades. The reason why I'm saying 3.5 decades because I have been actively involved in the dog game since the childhood, uh, somewhere around when I was in standard 4 or 5. My first experience of visiting a dog show in Calcutta, which happens to be one of the oldest club, to see the exhibits and get a feel of dogs. Thereafter, the journey has been really impressive for me in the dog game. We were introduced to animals, especially pet animals, by my father, and this has been in our family from generation after generation. I've had the experience of owning purebred dogs, birds, fishes, rabbits, so on and so forth. However, I have been an active participant in the dog game when I was approximately in standard 10 when I exhibited my first dog. And I'm really happy to share that I have had the opportunity to meet beautiful people in the dog game of yesteryears, having met Mr. J.B. Mukherjee of Jabin Kennels and sharing his experience with me, Nawab Nazir Young sir from Hyderabad. As we all know, he's a great personality in German Shepherds, especially, and many more people such as Mr. Don Mascarenas and personalities henceforth. I have a special love and affection for the German Shepherd dogs and the Dobermans especially. However, we have had dogs of various breeds, be it Lhasa Apsos, Tibet Terriers, Great Danes, German Shepherds, Dobermans, Boxers, so on and so forth. Our kennel is a hobby kennel and we breed occasionally and do not have much dogs with us presently. Reason being, we have our professional commitments. This hobby kennel is presently managed by my team, which comprises of my wife and my son, who actively help me taking care of them once I'm out on other professional assignments. I would hereby like to go ahead and introduce my wife, Ms. Rupali Roy, and my son, Mr. Aditya Narayan Roy, who helps me in the daily affairs, taking care of our companions. Thank you. Over to you, Rupali and Aditya. Would request you if you could go ahead and please introduce yourself and share your experience of being a part of the Dog Lovers family.
Hi everyone, I am Rupali Roy and I am an academician associated with all international and world schools along with educators for the last 20 years. As far as dogs are concerned, I have been having them as pets for since my childhood. However, for the last 18 years since my marriage, I have seen them really on a larger scale as we've been running a hobby kennel. where we have all different kinds of fish, rabbits, and also different kinds of breeds like German Shepherds, Doberman, Beagle, and other different breeds too. However, I really have a liking for German Shepherds and Doberman, and when I go for the shows, different shows, I love to see the different GSD shows and also the Doberman shows because I love to see their different styles. I would also like to share all the different breeds that we've been having for the last many years in this video, which you can see at the end of it. So do see it till the end to see all different breeds that we have been having. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Aditya Roy and I am a national level taekwondo player as well as a taekwondo black dan too. So I have been helping out my dad in his kennel since I was a child and I have been associated with my companions since I was a child. So my job involves helping my dad out, training my dogs and also looking after them. And since I was a child, I was always eager to keep German Shepherds as it was my favorite breed. And moreover, since I was a child, I have always been with my animals such as fishes, rabbits, and dogs. But uh, German Shepherds has always been part of my life since it has this topic has always seemed to interest me, and it is also my passion. I like going to the dog shows, showing my dogs, and that's it. Thank you everyone for joining with me today, and I hope you like this video, and I'm looking forward to meeting you all in the future.
The knowledge and the experience that I have gained by associating myself with these personalities of the dog game have, and my whatever small efforts I have done towards the upliftment of the breed standard or breeding has been recognized and duly appreciated by all in the dog game, and I'm proud to say that from last 15 years I have been associated as a all breed judge, judging various championship dog shows under various affiliated clubs in India across West Bengal, North India. If I talk about Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, NCR, Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and Maharashtra, it has been a wonderful experience for me so far, and I have been actively involved in judging pet shows being organized by various affiliated clubs like the Indian National Kennel Club, so and so forth. I'm also happy and proud to announce that recently I have been appointed as a panel judge of the United Kennel Club of India. Uh, the club has founders are very old friends of mine. We have an association more than 30 years with them, and I look forward in taking the club to reach new heights with the support of the able leadership of all the founders of the United Kennel Club, which is affiliated to the World Kennel Union. And also, before I end, I would request each and every friend of mine to please share this video and the YouTube channel Animals and Pets with Partha, so that we are able to go ahead and spread the wonderful experiences about the dog game, and also get updated knowledge of the various activities which are involved in the animal and pet world. Thank you.